To. To. It is used as a preposition of place to show the direction of the destination. I am heading to my sister's place in Delhi. For. For. It is used to identify the object in the sentence. Jack has been waiting for her since long. In. In. It is used as a preposition of place to show the location of something. I have kept a surprise gift for him in his cupboard. At. At. It is used in the sense of indicating a time or location. They met at a house party for the first time. By. By. It is used in the sense of not later than or to show the deadline. You are supposed to submit this blog by tomorrow. On. On. It is used as a preposition of place to show the position of something. Your English book is lying on the table. Since. Since. It is used to indicate the starting point from which the action continues to happen. I haven't met my father since 2020. Ago. Ago. It is used to indicate the length of time in the past or something that happened in the past. My brother Leo met with a deadly accident 3 years ago. Before. Before. It is used in the sense of earlier than or early. Drink a glass full of milk before sleeping. After. After. It is used in the sense of later than or next in time. Complete your homework after watching video games. Till. Till. It is used to indicate something to a certain limit or extent. I am not leaving you alone till your mother comes. Form. Form. It is used to show the origin of something that happened. Johnny is learning English from an online teacher. For. For. It is used to show the intent to help or benefit someone, or to show the purpose of something. I have bought a new black shoe for you. Past. Past. It is used to indicate beyond something or something that has happened before. You should get past all the things that happened and move forward in life. Above. Above. It is used to show that something is higher than in position. Stephen has always put his family above everything.